everybody, in this video I'll be showing you how can you fix installed apps not showing on home screen Android Samsung. In order to fix the installed app not showing on your Samsung's home screen, you need to ensure that the add app to home screen settings is enabled. So what you need is first of all navigate to the settings on your device, after which go to the display section. Here it is. And when you go to display over here, you could go ahead and look for these home screen options or add to home screen. You want to make sure to select the button for that and enable it as well. After which you can also look for an option like add apps to home screen or add new app to home screen and make sure it is toggled on. Then, if the issue still persists on, apart from it, you could swipe up from the bottom of the home screen to access the app drawer. You could go and locate the app that you have or that you wanted to add. So here you could go and tap on the search bar and press and hold the app icon, then click or select add to home or a similar options. So you just want to make sure to select it and then you will find these options to actually go ahead and add it. If the issue still persists on, then you want to make sure to restart your device or try installing or try uninstalling it once again and reinstall it. That might be able to solve your issue. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.